Apple is hiring people for the role of software development engineer. The experience needed is 0 to 2 years of experience. Let's see some of the eligibility criteria and how to apply for this job role. First, let's see the about company. Apple is an American multinational technology company headquartered in California that designs, develops, and sells consumer electronics, software, and online services. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs in 1976. You can read this about company. The official website is apple.com, www.apple.com. The role they are providing is SDE, Software Development Engineer. The job description they have given is the role involves building and maintaining strong partnerships with key business leaders in order to successfully lead businesses in initiative. Additionally, it is meaningful to build a collaboration with other IT teams effectively to drive alignment and efficiency on joint methodologies, architectures, co-development frameworks, etc. Driving alignment and initiatives across the worldwide and regional development teams to achieve global goals such as common frameworks, production support model, retirement of legacy solutions, etc., is vital to this role. Leading project managers, business analysts, and technical teams to define and build rapid internal solutions that enable key process with the operations functions in the mandatory is mandatory. Additionally, managing a team of developers, providing technical leadership, governance, focus on stability, agility, flexibility, supportability, scale, and consistency is required. Let's see some of the requirements they are needed. Works with business teams, defining visions or solutions and collaborating or driving to see them to completion. Translate requirements into designs that align with mid and long term goals for the platform and technology evolution. Performs technical planning, system integration, verification, and validation, cost and risk, supportability for solution, leads the effort to ensure progress is made toward a delivery on demand model that demonstrate continuous everything to reduce defects while increasing productivity and time to market. Collaborate with and guide other teams in organization to ensure successful deployment, maintenance, and support of development software architecture solutions. These are the requirements they have given. The skills required are strong experience with translating business needs and complex problems into system requirements with system design architectures that are robust, flexible, and scalable. Hands on experience with software development in one or more of the following languages, along with the Java, PHP, Python, Go, JavaScript or TypeScript, Node or Angular frameworks. Experience with backend development and relational databases like Postgres, MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, etc. Experience designing scalable RESTful web services and reactive microservices. Have excellent understanding of architectural principles involved in software as a service and multi-tenant platforms. Have extraordinary analytical and quantitative model skills with a focus on data-driven discussion making. Proven skills in performance tuning, monitoring, and measuring. These are the skills they have given. Based on these skills, prepare your resume for this role. The eligibility criteria are CSE, IT, and ECE are eligible. ME and MTech can apply for this too. 6.5 CGPA and above throughout without any running backlogs. But they prefer if you have backlogs too. I forgot to mention that 2019, 2020, and 2021 graduates are applicable for this job role. How to apply? You can apply for this job role by clicking the link given in the description box. Before clicking the link, understand the process how you can apply. There are some process you should follow. Apply. Let's see apply process of this job role. After clicking the link given in the description box, you will be redirected to this page. That means a careers at Apple page where you can see some of the information about the job. Like let's see some of the key qualifications like RESTful web services. We already saw this skills before, and they have given education and experience. Let's see bachelor degree is required preferably in computer science, CIS, or related discipline with an information technology focus, MBA or MS. Preferred focus on operation management or supply chain management is plus. Additional requirements like works with business teams, defining vision solutions, driving to see them to completion, and they have given some additional informations too. After clicking the submit resume button, you will be redirected to this page where you want to create your account in Apple. You want to create your Apple ID with password. If you have Apple ID with password, you can enter your Apple ID and password, you can log in, or else you should create your Apple ID and password. For creating that, you can create your own. Click this button, you will be redirected to this page where create your Apple ID. Click this button, create your Apple ID button. You will get this form where you want to give your first name, last name, country or region, date of birth, and here you want to, in the place of Apple ID, you want to give your email ID and create your password. Here the password should be, let me tell an example. Your password should not contain your name, and it should not contain your parts of email address mentioned above in this part. It should not contain, otherwise it will throw an error. Let me tell an example, like you can mention like this: YouTube at 2, keep y as caps, and YouTube at 2, like this you can mention, and it will become a strong password. Don't mention your name, otherwise it will create a problem after submitting the form. Then you can give your phone number, and after that, whether you want to get a verification code via text message, click this button. If you want to get a call, you can click this button. If you want any announcement or newsletter, you can apply for this too. And you want to enter this captcha code. After that, you can click this continue button. After that, they will be asking a code, verification code, which will be sent to your mail ID mentioned in app ID place. And you want to enter the code. It will be like a 6 to 5 digit code. After that, they will be sending a verification code to your mobile number via text message based on your option you choose here. You want to enter the 5 or 6 digit code there. After that, your account will be created, and after that they will be asking your name, your resume, and your work experience and other personal information. The filling of the registration form is very simple, you can fill it very easily. After that, you can submit your registration form, and they will be informing further process via the email. This is how you want to apply for this job role. Let's see the package for this job role. The package for this job role, the typical app software engineer salary is nearly 14 LPA, and they have given can range from 1 lakh to 88 lakhs. This estimate is based upon 42 Apple software engineer salary reports provided by employees are estimated based on the statistical method. This is a typical salary. The 14 lakhs will be a typical salary for this job role. You can apply for this job role. All the best for your interview preparation.